Hello everybody, I am Suman Matthews and today I will be discussing a topic on coordinate geometry, namely slope and equation of a line. This is a part of grade 10 maths and grade 11 maths. As an experienced maths teacher teaching mathematics for the past 25 years, in this video I will show you how to calculate the slope and also discuss problems of the form y equal to mx plus c, that is to find the equation of a line. Problems are explained with the relevant formula, so come watch this entire video. Slope of a line is defined as the tangent of the line of the angle made by the line with the positive direction of the x-axis. It is denoted by m, so m equal to tan theta. Now, given a line joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, if it is difficult to determine the angle formed by this line with the positive direction of the x-axis, we can also define the slope as y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. That is, you subtract the y coordinates divided by subtract the x coordinates. Slope of the x-axis is 0 and slope of the y-axis is infinity. Coming to the first problem, what is the slope of a line which makes an angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of the y-axis measured anti-clockwise? So this is the y-axis and this is 60 degrees. So this has to be 30, and slope is defined as the tangent of the angle made by the line with the positive direction of the x-axis. So slope is tan 30, which is 1 by root 3. Question 2. What is the slope of the line passing to 2, 3 and 5 minus 7? So slope would be subtract the y coordinates, so 3 plus 7 divided by subtract the x coordinates, which is 2 minus 5. So 10 by minus 3 is minus 10 by 3. Next question. Find x so that the line through x 9 and 2 7 is parallel to the line through 2 minus 2 and 6 4. Slope of the line joining x9 and 2 7 is 9 minus 7 by x minus 2, and slope of the line joining 2 minus 2 and 6 minus 4 is 4 plus 2 by 6 minus 2, which is 4. So I get 2 by x minus 2 is 3 by 2. Cross multiplying, you get 4 equal to 3x minus 6. 3x equal to 10, x is 10 by 3. Incidentally, these problems are also asked in the GRE quantitative section and in the SAT, ACT. Two parallel lines have the same slope. If two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is minus 1. So coming to this, given a problem, if A2 minus 3, B3, 5 are two vertices of a rectangle ABCD, find the slope of BC, CD and DA. Slope of AB would be 5 plus 3 by 3 minus 2, which is 1. So you get 8. So slope of BC is perpendicular to AB. Slope of BC is minus 1 by 8. When two lines are perpendicular, to find the slope of the perpendicular line, take the reciprocal and put the minus sign. CD is parallel to AB. Two parallel lines have the same slope. So slope of CD is 8. DA is parallel to BC. So slope of DA is minus 1 by 8. Equation of the x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of the y-axis is x equal to 0. So any line parallel to the x-axis has equation y equal to c. Any line parallel to the y-axis has equation x equal to c. And we also have the slope-intercept form of a line, which is y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. Coming to a question, find the equation of a straight line parallel to the x-axis and having intercept minus 2 on the y-axis. Parallel to the x-axis, so the equation is y equal to c, it has intercept minus 2, so equation of the line would be y equal to minus 2. Find the equation of a vertical line passing through minus 7, 3. Vertical line is parallel to the y-axis. So any line parallel to the y-axis has equation x equal to c. This line has x coordinate minus 7, so equation of the line is x equal to minus 7. Find the equation of a line having slope minus 2 by 7, y-intercept minus 3. We use the fact that y equal to mx plus c, so y is minus 2 by 7x minus 3. Cross multiply and take the LCM. So 7y equal to minus 2x minus 21 or 7y plus 2x plus 21 equal to 0. Find the equation of the line whose inclination is 3 pi by 4, y-intercept is minus 5. Now slope is m, which is tan 3 pi by 4, that is tan pi minus pi by 4. It's in the second quadrant, tan is negative, so it is minus tan pi by 4, which is minus 1. So your slope is minus 1. So comparing with y equal to mx plus c, equation of the line would be y equal to minus x. The y-intercept is minus 5. So y equal to minus x minus 5. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel MathMadeEasy.